First of all, I'll thank every media person present here, all the ex-army officers, all the ex-army people.
Even the civil.
I would like to thank the media, all the army members who are here, and all the civilian crowd also which is here. These are some of the immediate plea which we have which we have given to the DC today. The first action we require is order the immediate registration of an FIR on my husband's complaint under section 109, 1182, 1181, 1152, 1262, 3084, 311, 3512 and 3. Read with section 3.5 of BNS. We want them to even file 307, 326, 324, 323, 341, 387, 397 and 506, which are compliant to the section 34 of the IPC. We want them to name all the 12 police guilty officer, Inspector Shaminder Singh, who had assaulted along with Inspector Harjinder Singh Thilno, Inspector Harry Boparai, Inspector Ronnie Singh, and 8 others should all be arrested immediately, whereas Inspector Shaminder Singh has not even been suspended yet. Transfer of the case to CBI, an independent agency, for an impartial and independent investigation, as the Punjab Police is actively shielding these criminals in uniform. Immediate transfer the accused officials out of Patiala so that they cannot continue their reign of terror and intimidation in Punjab. Order strict disciplinary action and departmental inquiry against the accused officials. Grant my family protection and ensure that these officers cannot retaliate against us or harm my son again. SSP Nanak should be posted out of Patiala for lack of cooperation, as the family requested him multiple times to register the FIR, but he kept giving us false hopes to delay the process of justice and cause untold harassment to the family. He has also tried to shield the culprits by not including the name of Inspector Shaminder in the suspension order and refrained from divulging the names of the suspended officials to the media and the victim. SSP Nanak also asked me to compromise on the issue in his camp office and recommended that the issue should not be pursued, as this will not reach to any logical conclusion. Even after he was shown the videos of the brutal violence that they had committed, and also the videos where 4 accused inspectors were seeking forgiveness from us.
We all need to stand as unity today and show the government, the police, anybody who does wrong will not be spared by the public. We don't need any kind of a political, और हमारे को क्यों एक जरूरत होनी चाहिए कि हमें कोई पहुंच की ही जरूरत चाहिए एक जस्टिस के लिए, एक जनता को, एक आम नागरिक को, एक मतलब जस्टिस के लिए we have to cry for it after all the evidence.